Welcome to our YouTube video showcasing the top water spot remover for cars. Say goodbye to stubborn water stains with a carefully curated selection of premium products. Whether you are battling hard water marks, mineral deposits, or etched spots, we have got you covered. Join us as we review the most effective solutions to restore your car's finish to its former glory. Get ready to achieve showroom shine and impeccable results with the best water spot removers on the market. Let's dive in. At the first position of our list, we are introducing Meguiar's Marine RV Heavy Duty Oxidation Remover, the ultimate solution for tackling tough oxidation and water spots on your marine and RV surfaces. Designed specifically for the demands of outdoor environments, this powerhouse formula effectively restores the shine to fiberglass, gel coat, and painted surfaces. Featuring a cutting-edge formula, Meguiar's Oxidation Remover effortlessly eliminates stubborn oxidation and water spots, revealing a smooth, glossy finish underneath. Its specialized ingredients penetrate deep into the surface, leaving away contaminants without causing damage, leaving behind a brilliant shine. Experience unmatched effectiveness with Meguiar's. Not only does it remove oxidation and water spots, but it also provides long-lasting protection against future damage, ensuring your surface stay looking pristine for longer. The convenient packaging and user-friendly design make application a breeze, whether you are a seasoned professional or DIY enthusiast. Priced competitively, Meguiar's Marine or RV Oxidation Remover offers exceptional value for its superior quality and performance, making it a must-have for any boat or RV owner looking to maintain their investment. At number 2, we are introducing the Invisible Glass 91411 3.38-ounce glass scraper water spot remover kit, your go-to solution for effortlessly removing stubborn water spots and stains from glass surfaces. Crafted with precision and care, this compact kit packs a powerful punch, ensuring crystal clear results every time. Featuring a specially formulated solution, the glass stripper effectively dissolves and lifts away unsightly water spots, leaving your glass surfaces sparkling clean and streak-free. Its innovative formula is safe for use on all glass types, including windows, windshields, mirrors, and more. Experience unparalleled effectiveness with Invisible Glass. Not only does it eliminate water spots with ease, but it also helps to prevent future buildup, ensuring long-lasting clarity and visibility. The convenient kit includes everything you need for hassle-free application, making it perfect for both professional detailers and DIY enthusiasts. Priced competitively, the Invisible Glass 91411 kit offers exceptional value for its superior quality and performance. Say goodbye to water spots and hello to pristine glass surfaces with the Invisible Glass 91411 3.38-ounce glass stripper water spot remover kit. Elevate your cleaning routine with this trusted brand that delivers results you can see and feel. Next up at number 3, we have Rain X 62007 3 Car Wash, the ultimate deep cleaning solution for achieving a spotless, high-gloss finish on your vehicle. Designed with both car enthusiasts and everyday drivers in mind, this high-foam soap delivers professional quality results right at home. The Rain X Car Wash features an advanced formula that guarantees a rich, thick foam effortlessly lifting dirt, grime, and road contaminants from your vehicle's surface. This powerful cleaning action ensures a through wash, leaving your car gleaming with a streak-free, spot-free shine. Experience unmatched effectiveness with the Rain X 620073. Its high foam soap clings to your car, maximizing contact time and enhancing the cleaning process. The gentle pH-balanced formula is safe for all vehicle finishes, including clear coats, ensuring your paintwork remains pristine and protected. Built for durability, Rain X Car Wash not only cleans but also enhances your vehicle's shine, providing long-lasting protection against water spots and environmental pollutants. Its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, offering multiple washes per bottle and excellent value for money. Despite its premium performance, Rain X 620073 is affordably priced, making it an accessible choice for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's appearance. Upgrade your car washing routine with Rain X 620073 Car Wash and enjoy a deep clean with a brilliant spot-free shine every time. The number 4 position is held by Griot's Garage Water Spot Remover. This product, in a generous 22-ounce size, is the ultimate solution for effortlessly eliminating stubborn water spots and restoring your vehicle's pristine finish. Crafted with precision and expertise, this specialized formula is designed to tackle water spots effectively without compromising your vehicle's paint or clear coat. Featuring advanced technology, Griot's Garage Water Spot Remover penetrates deep to dissolve mineral deposits and contaminants, leaving behind a smooth and glossy surface. Its powerful yet gentle formula ensures true cleaning without scratching or damaging the paint, making it suitable for all types of vehicles. Experience unparalleled effectiveness with Griot's Garage Water Spot Remover. Whether you are dealing with light water marks or heavy mineral deposits, this remover delivers impressive results every time, restoring your vehicle's shine and clarity with ease. The user-friendly design of the 22-ounce bottle allows for easy application, making it convenient for both professional detailers and DIY enthusiasts. Priced competitively, Griot's Garage Water Spot Remover offers exceptional value for its superior quality and performance, ensuring long-lasting results you can trust. Say goodbye to unsightly water spots and hello to a showroom-worthy finish with Griot's Garage Water Spot Remover. Elevate your detailing game with this trusted brand and enjoy a flawless finish that lasts. At number 5, we are introducing Water Spot Plus, your all-in-one solution for achieving a flawless exterior on your boat, car, motorcycle or RV. This 32-ounce spray combines powerful water spot removal with wax protection, ensuring your vehicle's surface gleam with brilliance and stays shielded against future damage. Crafted with precision, Water Spot Plus effortlessly dissolves stubborn water spots, mineral deposits and wood cream, leaving behind a strike-free mirror-like finish. Its advanced formula incorporates a protective wax layer, enhancing shine while providing durable defense against UV rays, dirt and pollutants. Experience unparalleled effectiveness with Water Spot Plus. Whether dealing with light spots or heavy buildup, this versatile spray delivers exceptional results without harming your vehicle's paint or clear coat. The user-friendly design allows for convenient application, suitable for both professional detailers and DIY enthusiasts. Priced competitively, Water Spot Plus offers outstanding value for its superior quality and performance. Say goodbye to water spots and hello to a showroom-worthy shine with Water Spot Plus. Elevate your exterior detailing routine with this trusted spray, ensuring your vehicle maintains its brilliance and protection mile after mile. At number 6, we are introducing the Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Water Spot Remover, your ultimate solution for effortlessly eliminating stubborn water spots and restoring the brilliance of your vehicle's exterior. Crafted with precision and expertise, this powerful formula is designed to tackle even the toughest water stains with ease. Featuring advanced technology, Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Water Spot Remover effectively dissolves mineral deposits and contaminants, leaving behind a smooth and glossy surface. Its concentrated formula ensures thorough cleaning without damaging your vehicle's paint or clear coat, making it suitable for all types of vehicles. Experience unparalleled effectiveness with Chemical Guys. Whether you are dealing with light watermarks or heavy mineral deposits, this remover delivers impressive results every time, restoring your vehicle's shine and clarity with ease. The user-friendly design of the 16 fluid-ounce bottle allows for easy application, making it convenient for both professional detailers and DIY enthusiasts. Priced competitively, Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Water Spot Remover offers exceptional value for its superior quality and performance, ensuring long-lasting results you can trust. Say goodbye to unsightly water spots and hello to a showroom-worthy finish with Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Water Spot Remover. Elevate your detailing game with this trusted brand and enjoy a flawless exterior that stands the test of time. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we are introducing the 303 Prodex 30571 CSR Tonneau cover and convertible top cleaner, your go-to solution for maintaining the pristine condition of your vehicle's soft tops and tonneau covers. Crafted with precision and expertise, this cleaner is specifically designed to effectively remove dirt, grime and stains without causing any damage. Featuring an advanced formula, the 303 Prodex cleaner penetrates deep into the fabrics to lift away even the toughest stains, leaving behind a fresh and rejuvenated surface. Its gentle yet powerful cleaning action ensures true results without compromising the integrity of your soft tops or tonneau covers. Experience unmatched effectiveness with the 303 Prodex cleaner. Whether you are dealing with mud, bird droppings or environmental pollutants, this cleaner delivers exceptional results every time, restoring your vehicle's soft tops and tonneau covers to their original beauty. The user-friendly design of the 303 Prodex cleaner makes it easy to apply, allowing for hassle-free cleaning by both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Priced competitively, this cleaner offers exceptional value for its superior quality and performance, ensuring long-lasting results you can trust. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to a fresh and revitalized vehicle exterior with the 303 Prodex 30571 CSR tonneau cover and convertible top cleaner. Elevate your detailing routine with this trusted cleaner and enjoy a showroom-worthy finish that lasts. Thanks for watching our comprehensive guide on the best water spot removers for cars. Don't let pesky water stains dull your vehicle's shine. With these top-rated products, you can achieve a flawless finish every time. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more expert reviews and car care tips. Keep your ride looking its best with the ultimate water spot removers. Until next time, happy detailing!